Curious about making money with AI through chatbot development? You've come to the appropriate place. Chatbots, computational models built to mimic human interaction, are reshaping how companies communicate with their clientele. They're clever, they're efficient, and they're available constantly. Visualize your enterprise having an AI powered virtual aide that never rests, addressing customer queries, aiding in e commerce deals, and offering help 24/7. Incredible, isn't it? That's the prowess chatbots. For entrepreneurs, the possibilities are boundless. You can craft and implement chatbots for a multitude of businesses, extending beyond customer service to e commerce. With the correct knowledge and resources, you can develop chatbots that boost customer involvement, simplify operations, and in the long run, amplify profits. Chatbot development is a thriving domain to infiltrate, and today we're set to guide you on this journey. So, recline, unwind, and let's submerge into the captivating universe of chatbots. But first, let's understand what chatbots are. Chatbots, in their simplest form, are software applications that mimic human conversation, either written or spoken, using artificial intelligence algorithms. They're like your virtual assistants ready to serve round the clock, whether you're asking for weather updates, booking a hotel room, or inquiring about a product's availability. So, how do these chatbots work? Imagine a well trained employee who knows everything about your business and responds to customers' queries instantly. That's what a chatbot does, but in a more advanced way. They use a technology called natural language processing, or NLP, which helps them understand and interpret human language. They learn from every interaction, continuously improving their responses over time. Chatbots are not limited to just one type of business or sector. They're versatile and can be adapted to various industries. For instance, in the e-commerce sector, chatbots can assist customers in finding the right product, handling payments, and even providing after-sales service. They're like a digital salesperson, available 24/7. In the healthcare sector, chatbots can schedule appointments, remind patients of their medication, and even provide basic health advice. They're like a personal health assistant at your service. There are numerous successful implementations of chatbots. Take the example of Eva, the chatbot developed by a major bank. Eva handles millions of customer queries, providing instant support and improving customer satisfaction. Or consider Molly, a medical chatbot that assists doctors by providing medical information, thus saving time and improving patient care. But remember, a chatbot's success lies in its design and implementation. A well-designed chatbot can greatly enhance customer experience, while a poorly designed one can lead to customer frustration. It's important to ensure that your chatbot is designed to understand and respond effectively to your customers' needs. Now that we understand what chatbots are, let's delve into how to create one. To create a chatbot, you would need the right tools. And let's dive into some of those tools now. There are several platforms that can assist you in developing chatbots, and we're going to touch on a few of the most prominent ones: Dialogflow, IBM Watson, and the Microsoft Bot Framework. Firstly, let's talk about Dialogflow. This is a tool developed by Google that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to user inputs. Its strength lies in its ability to understand complex queries and deliver accurate responses. However, the downside is that it can be a little tricky to navigate for beginners. If you're new to chatbot development, there might be a bit of a learning curve here. Next up is IBM Watson. Watson is a powerful AI platform with a robust chatbot building tool. It excels at understanding context and maintaining conversation flow, making it ideal for customer service applications. The downside is that it can be a bit pricey, especially for small businesses or entrepreneurs just starting out. Lastly, we have the Microsoft Bot Framework. This is a comprehensive offering that allows you to build, test, and deploy your chatbots across multiple channels. Its major advantage is its seamless integration with Microsoft's suite of products. However, its reliance on Microsoft's ecosystem could be a disadvantage if you're not already plugged into it. Each of these tools has its unique strengths and weaknesses. Dialogflow shines in its ability to handle complex queries, IBM Watson excels in maintaining conversation flow, and the Microsoft Bot framework offers wide-ranging integration options, but they also come with their own drawbacks. Dialogflow might be hard for beginners, IBM Watson could be expensive for small businesses, and the Microsoft Bot framework is heavily reliant on Microsoft's ecosystem. So, how do you decide which tool to use? Well, that depends on your specific needs, your budget, and your technical expertise. Consider these factors carefully and remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Choosing the right platform is paramount in designing an effective chatbot. So, take your time, do your research, and choose the tool that best suits your needs. The design process of a chatbot is crucial for its success. It's like building a house, where the blueprint is the foundation, and the design is the structure that shapes the experience. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you need to define the bot's purpose. What problem is it solving? Is it a customer service bot, answering queries and resolving issues, or an e-commerce bot, assisting in product discovery and purchase? This purpose will guide every subsequent decision in the design process. Now, imagine you're the user. You say, "Hello, what does the bot?" reply. That's where conversation flows come in. These are predefined scripts that guide the bot's interactions. They need to be natural, intuitive, and engaging. Remember, the goal is to mimic human conversation as closely as possible. So, think about how you would respond in a real-life scenario and build your conversation flows around that. Next up is designing the user interface. This might seem irrelevant because, well, chatbots are all about text, right? Wrong. The user interface isn't just about visuals. It's about the overall user experience. How does the user initiate a chat? How are the responses formatted? How easy is it to restart a conversation or ask for help? These are all elements of the user interface that you need to consider. And here's a pro tip. Always provide options for the user to choose from. This makes the conversation more interactive and also guides the user in the right direction. So instead of asking, "How can I assist you today?" you might want to say, "Would you like to check your order status or browse our latest collection?" Finally, remember to keep refining your design. Monitor user interactions, gather feedback, and continuously improve. Because in the world of chatbots, there's always room for improvement. A well-designed chatbot can significantly enhance user experience. So, take the time to design your bot well and watch as it transforms your business operations and customer interactions. After designing the chatbot, the next step is development and testing. This is where your chatbot starts to come alive and where you'll spend a significant amount of time refining and perfecting its functionality and user experience. First, let's talk about the development process. This usually involves using a chosen platform to build your chatbot. There are numerous platforms available, each with their own features, strengths, and weaknesses. Some platforms are more user-friendly, while others offer more advanced customization options. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your needs and skill level. For instance, platforms like Dialogflow or Microsoft Bot Framework are great for those with some programming knowledge. On the other hand, platforms like ChatFuel or MobileMonkey might be better suited for those without a coding background. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to start building your chatbot. This involves programming your chatbot to understand and respond to user inputs. Depending on the platform, this could be as simple as dragging and dropping pre-made modules, or as complex as writing lines of code. Now, on to testing. Testing is a crucial part of the development process, as it allows you to identify and fix any issues before your chatbot goes live. There are two main aspects to consider when testing your chatbot: functionality and user experience. Functionality testing is about ensuring your chatbot works as expected. This involves testing the chatbot's ability to understand and respond to a variety of user inputs, as well as its ability to perform the actions it's been programmed to do. You'll want to test your chatbot with a range of different queries and scenarios to make sure it can handle a variety of situations. User experience testing, on the other hand, focuses on the chatbot's usability and overall user satisfaction. This involves assessing the chatbot's response time, the appropriateness of its responses, and its ability to engage users in a conversation. And remember, testing isn't a one-time process. Even after your chatbot is live, you'll need to continually monitor and test it to ensure it's providing the best possible service to your users. This could involve analyzing user interactions, gathering feedback, and making necessary adjustments to improve your chatbot's performance. In conclusion, developing and testing a chatbot involves building the chatbot using a chosen platform and then testing it for functionality and user experience. It's a crucial step in the chatbot development process that can greatly impact the success of your chatbot. Testing is crucial to ensure your chatbot functions as intended. So, invest the necessary time and resources into this step to make sure your chatbot is ready to impress your users. Once your chatbot is tested and ready, it's time to deploy. That's right, you're now at the exciting stage of bringing your digital assistant to life. But how exactly do you go about it? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Firstly, it's crucial to decide where your chatbot will live. Your choice of platform is largely dependent on where your target users are most active. Are they constantly browsing your website? Or perhaps they're more engaged on your mobile application? Maybe they're most responsive on social media platforms like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. Once you've identified the most suitable platform, the next step is to integrate your chatbot. For website deployment, you'll typically embed the chatbot in the lower right corner of your website. This makes it easily accessible, providing instant assistance to visitors. For mobile applications, you can incorporate the chatbot within the app's interface, ensuring it's just a tap away. As for social media, most platforms offer seamless integration of chatbots into their messaging systems. Now, deploying your chatbot is not the end of the journey. It's important to continuously monitor and update your chatbot post deployment. Keep an eye on how your chatbot is performing. Gather feedback from users and make necessary adjustments. This is all part of maintaining the efficiency and relevance of your chatbot. Remember, a chatbot is an ever-evolving tool. As your business grows and changes, so should your chatbot. Regular updates ensure that your chatbot is always equipped with the most current information and capabilities, providing the best possible service to your users. So, to quickly recap, decide on your platform, integrate your chatbot, and then monitor and update as necessary. It's a cycle of continuous improvement and adaptation to ensure your chatbot remains a valuable asset to your business. And there you have it. Your chatbot is now live and interacting with users. You've successfully deployed your chatbot, and it's ready to engage, assist, and delight your audience. Congratulations. Now let's move on to the exciting part, making money with chatbots. Chatbots, when deployed strategically, can become a significant revenue source. One of the most straightforward ways to monetize your chatbot is through advertising. By integrating your chatbot with an advertising network, you can earn revenue every time a user interacts with the ads your chatbot displays. Think of this as a digital billboard, where your chatbot serves as the conduit for businesses to reach potential customers. But it's not just about slapping on ads. You can also use your chatbot for lead generation. Think about it. Your chatbot interacts with users, learns about their preferences and needs, and then collects this information. This data is invaluable for businesses who can use it to target their marketing efforts more effectively. These businesses would be willing to pay for such high-quality targeted leads, thereby adding another revenue stream to your chatbot business. Selling products and services directly through your chatbot is another lucrative avenue. For instance, if your chatbot is designed for a specific niche like travel or fashion, you can collaborate with relevant businesses to sell their products or services directly through your chatbot. The chatbot could recommend a product or service based on the user's preferences and facilitate the transaction right within the chat interface. This not only provides a seamless user experience, but also opens up a potential revenue source through commission on sales. Remember, the key to making money with chatbots is to provide value. The more value your chatbot provides, the more users will engage with it, and the more opportunities you'll have to monetize it. It's also important to continuously improve and update your chatbot based on user feedback to ensure it remains relevant and engaging. This will help maintain and grow your user base, leading to more monetization opportunities. If you found this informative, like, share, and subscribe. With the right strategy, chatbots can become a significant revenue source. So, are you ready to dive into the world of chatbot development? We've journeyed through the intriguing realm of chatbots, from understanding their core function to the tools required for their creation. We've also delved into the artistry of bot design and the practical aspects of development, testing, and deployment. Remember, a well-crafted chatbot not only enhances customer service, but also paves the way for profitable e-commerce ventures. So whether you're an entrepreneur seeking to streamline your business operations or a tech enthusiast eager to dabble in a new field, chatbot development offers a wealth of opportunities. It's time to take the plunge and explore the endless possibilities that chatbots present. Every journey starts with a single step, and yours begins with the first bot you build. I'm Thomas Bedell, the founder of Blue Heron Media Group, a subsidiary of Blue Heron Companies showcasing technologies. Thank you for watching. If you found this informative, like, share, and subscribe.